Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say your seat. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Hey Peter, where'd you get these chicken wings, bud? They're amazing.
Eh?
Peter, you chewing the bones?
Yeah, the sweetest part is
Ugh.
smooth like my wash my face with the cake soap. Smooth like my wash my face with the cake soap. Woo! Wait till they get them see me, brother.
Holy beaver tails. Guess I can use a tan, eh? Need a little sun.
Set body guard, you think it easy? Who you ramping? You want it easy?
Oh wow, that's pretty aggressive. Hey Pete, what are you doing to that girl there, eh?
Set body guard, you think it easy? Who you ramping? You want it
Hey
easy?
Pete, be careful, eh? That kind of looks like assault.
So set body to, set body to. 4 back shot, that's for the whatnot.
Wow, it's like wrestling. Oh.
I sit down pan it for the fridge and the blender.
Oh, I don't know if I should watch it. Call the police. Oh wow.
Separate for the goods from separate.
You know, so when I reach the part that people don't know the thing go already, you get me say, but it's right now.
My dad, them a feeling.
You know, so when I reach the part of the party that yet people, so it's right now.
People are by hoops. Me just take the plane. Build myself up from the ground and know me up from the Go soak your mother down.
You don't know, so when I rush the thing, alright, because I know it's an early morning party. So I go easy, so it's right now.
These are members of an elite squad known as the Special Victims Unit. These are their stories.
General, me never know say your father drink to man.
Me look like me a blood clad gym. You know see a workout class me I want to you.
We are to try get some muscle.
Muscle. Youth. You know see solo caution party a come up. I want to the Easter caution all black. And the general I'm gonna get it. You think the general can go over sentence in the belly, yeah? The girl never see the general and come out. Works me at the head see. Yo! Sentence!
Yeah, people. Alas, feed me a about like a reasoning. Him a female girl over female, and me a my mongol over female. But you see female them, all you want feed the dog them pan. I be a ton can meal. People, me never see set a dogs across, hungry and miserable. Me a feel one there for bounty kill a puppy them. As you look over the yard, the dog them start back. You look pretty much a riot. Oh, your dog them so vicious. You don't know where you pan yourself.
Me a couple dog, me know what that did for me. Get us a love, get us a loyalty before you fuck.
Touch it on, me say, oi, I got a pick, we just go so. I call my dog them, I take out 30 grand, and dash it on them and say, oi, we not go buy some KFC. You can't see my dog them, we not see my dog them.
My dog them a feeling, my dog them a feeling. Come on, the girl they like them all, I wanna like how we are live. Thanking for it, falling for it, my rough side was on it, and to the bright.
When you in a club and hear a song, come on, Englishman.
Oi, oi!
African man. Jamaican man.
How men get women attention. Jamaican man. English man. Oi, oi, Savoy! African man. Jamaicans be in a car like English people be in the car like
Oi, oi!
Africans be in the car like
Oh yes! Get in there! Let's have it!
Yo, what's going on? What's all the noise about? Just won the lottery, mate. We're rich.
Bop, 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 bop.
Oh, dog, why you make up so much noise for? Oh, it's a girl number what they all look for. Yeah.
Don't answer that, that's your ex.
She calling me for?
Don't answer that, that's your ex. Don't answer that, that's your ex. Don't answer that, that's your ex. Don't answer that, that's...
Hello?
Paul, you gotta come help me, I'm in jail.
So if you're in jail, how you calling me
the
from your cell
was nice
phone?
enough to let me use my phone and call you.
Okay, and why are you calling me?
Because you said if I got into any trouble, I could call you.
That's before I found out that you did something to the stupies where it make for me.
I'm sorry.
Anyway,
What's up?
Cops pulled me over after I picked up some drugs for you.
Oh my God.
I want you to please come pick up my car for me. Please, just come and pick up my
They
car
strip
for me.
searched you, they ain't find nothing?
No, they ain't find nothing. I swallowed it.
You swallowed it?
Yes.
I'll come get your car. Let me speak to the officer though, alright? Let me speak to the officer.
Hello?
Yo, give us something to drink. Give us some citroma or some good Jamaican herbs. Make sure shit out the drugs. She swallow it.
Oh,
she just
really?
tell us to swallow it. Lock her up and that's where the bomber clot here. Wicked girl lot. Lock her up.
Bitch, I'm a song this, Shanshan, record. Yes, my friend, go on, my friend, watch it. Easy, Susan, easy, my friend. Easy, might kill them. Watch my friend. Over there. Oh gosh, y'all kill them. No, sir. Scan your pussy, girl. Scan your pussy, pan bitch. Them say scan your pussy. Scan it. Hey. Scan your pussy, my friend. Scan your pussy. Watch it. Oh God. Work out, pan bitch, them, my friend. Work out. Hey. Take up the weights. Jesus, please. Work out, pan bitch, them. Work out, pan bitch, them. Yes, bitch. Get away, you're thirsty. Drink some juice. Jesus Christ, watch your shit kill them. I have an issue, guys. Broke bitches. Nicki Minaj, stop calling out my name. Stop calling out my name, Nicki Minaj. We're not friends. We only met in France and that's it. We're not friends. And you can unfollow me off Instagram because I'm not going to follow you back, darling. Why you keep on calling my name behind my back like we're not friends? I don't even know you. I don't know you, Nicki. Nicki, I don't know you. Stop calling out my name, Nicki. Nicki, we're not like that, Nicki. Stop calling out my name, Nicki. Nicki, stop it. You're going to tell people in France that you know me. Nicki, you don't know me. Stop calling out my name. It's back to relevant stuff. You know, it's a girl Twisha makeup by Akalamadu. Yeah, that's in Paris. Rich. New Bridget. Y'all broke. New Plastiagos from Italy. Stick to downtown Kingston. Rich. This outfit is called the White Cat. You can't afford these. Rich. Nicki Minaj. Come off my name, girl. Come off my name, Nicki Minaj. BRB. Going to Paris.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what you would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Kanil Clark. Peace.